Hey, hey you. Hey, hey. What's up, guys? It has been a while. Maybe too long. Maybe. Well, it has been a long month and a half. In this video, I'm going to be talking about basically kind of like an update / rant, because I've been going through a few things. I done seen a few things. As y'all can see, I got braces. So I just want to keep y'all informed. But I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet because, you know, time is money and ain't nobody got time to be missing no money. Well, so lately I just been doing me, just basically just trying to get myself mentally, emotionally stable. And I don't think YouTube at that time and period in my life was something that I was interested in doing while I was going through those things. So I'll just start by relationships. Me and my girlfriend, we had a falling out. As you can see, I have moved. And that's okay, because when you love somebody, sometimes you just need a little bit of space just to see if that person is who you really want to be. And of course, that's who I want to be with. So, and yeah, so I got braces about a month and a half ago. I wasn't satisfied with a few of my teeth, which were 3. So I had to get a full set. And I'm a firm believer in, if you don't like it and if something that you don't like and you're able to fix it, fix it. So basically what I've been doing is just trying to be a better mother to my daughter. Just trying to teach her different techniques because she's 3. And when she's 3 versus when she was 2, it's just the same. So, you know, when they say terrible 2s, they mean terrible 2s going into terrible 3s. And I hope it ends at 4. So, we've been doing timeouts. We've been doing countdowns. You know, I don't do the whooping thing because I believe that she is a strong little girl and whoopings don't work. So, I don't whoop her. So, I just been really just basically doing me. I will be going back to school. I want to major in business, so hopefully I get that off the ground this month. So I just wanted to go in and let you guys know just a few things that's going on with me. I have not abandoned you. I've gotten so many emails, so many inboxes saying, where are you? Where are the videos? This and the third. I still take care of my hair. I still take care of my daughter's hair. I just don't record it because I don't have the time. But I am back and I am better. I went through a couple of months of being sick, even though you don't know, because I was still doing videos while I was sick. I have gastritis and IBS. So I have really bad problems when it comes to my stomach. It's certain things that I can't eat, certain things that I can't drink that'll bother me. So I'm really learning what to eat, what not to eat, you know, things like that. And my diet has changed. My daughter's diet has changed because I can't eat as much like spicy foods or, you know, stuff that'll make myself greasy foods, stuff that'll make myself upset. I don't like to cook. So now she's on a different eating schedule like me because I'm not cooking 2 different meals for 2 different people. She's 3. She'll eat anything. She won't goldfish, the snack, goldfish for dinner. So, I mean, it doesn't bother her. So that's just basically it. I just been trying to get myself together mentally, spiritually, emotionally. I just needed to take a break from life itself and figure out what it is that I wanted in my life for me and my daughter. But it is 2019 and I want to say Happy New Year. New year, new me. Who this? You know, type deal. I just want to say Happy New Year. I wish the best of luck to everyone in this new year. Whatever you think that you can do this year, I think you should do it. Whether it's getting a passport and traveling out of the country or starting a YouTube channel about I don't know, whatever, because I didn't think that I would start a YouTube channel until I started my natural hair journey. And at the end of this video, I am going to show you a snippet. I put it on my Instagram, so if you would like to follow me on Instagram, it is the same as Natural Milestones. So I will be changing my intro because I have changed my name from L'Oreal, which is my actual name, to Natural Milestone, because in this natural transition, it is a milestone, just like a baby. A baby, you know, they don't walk, they don't crawl, they don't do anything. They start from scratch, and then they learn how to walk, and then they learn how to talk, and then they learn how to make decisions, and then they learn how to... It's the same thing when it comes to natural hair. You have to learn what your hair likes, what it doesn't like. You know, you may go through this phase. I went through a phase actually a couple months ago. I got some box braids. Now, when I had relaxed hair, I was used to the box braids. I didn't notice that it was taking my hair out. I really didn't care about my hair. But now, since I'm so into my hair, I've noticed that box braids don't work. When I took those box braids out, my hair was so dry and it was so broken off that I had to literally cut my hair. I wanted to chop it all off, but my sister was like, don't be so dramatic. It will grow back. And it has. It bounced right back. You know, it's just, I had to put more treatments in it. I had to add more moisture to it. And I'll tell you a trick. You know that us low porosity girls, our cuticles are closed. So it's hard for moisture to get in. Versus the high porosity girls, their cuticles are open. So it's hard for the moisture to stay in. So what I did to get my hair back moisturized is I used the high porosity Shea Moisture high porosity moisture retention mask, because I figure I need the moisture, and high porosity girls need the moisture because it won't stay in. But since my cuticles are closed, once I use that hot water, put that mask on my head, and then I get under a steamer. Shout out to my sister for buying me a steamer for Christmas. So once I got under that steamer, if you think about it, you have the high porosity extra moisture. Shampoo your hair, put that mask on, put your hair in a bag, sit up under that steamer, honey child, and let the steamer do its job. Your hair will be moisturized. Now, I don't suggest you use it every month or every week or every time you wash your hair, you deep condition. I don't recommend that. I recommend you use that when your hair is at its weakest point. And when your hair is really, really dry and it's nothing that you can do, or the things that you have been doing isn't working, then I will resort to a high porosity product, because they are built on getting their hair moisturized, versus us, we're based on getting our cuticles open so the moisture can go in, and then once our cuticle close, it will stay in. So that's what I did with the high porosity line. I did that. My hair bounced back. As you can see, I'm still curly. You know, I did a twist out the other day. I wore it for a few days, and then I just put it in this hot puff. So another topic that I did want to talk about was, I seen something on Twitter the other day. And it was a conversation between two men. And the conversation was basically about a girl, and he thought that the girl was ugly. So because the girl wasn't filtered, she didn't have a filter, she was pretty to me. She was caramel complected, you know, she was pretty, long hair, you know, and the conversation was that she was ugly. And then they had another picture of a girl, which was an Instagram model, and she was, you know, Instagram models, they get the, I won't say they have butt injections, but you never know. You know, big butts, breasts, long hair, which is not theirs, blah, blah, blah. And she was put on a pedestal versus this natural, authentic person. She was considered ugly, and this one was considered on a pedestal. Now, me, I think that God make everyone equally unique. Everyone looks beautiful. That's how I feel. it just doesn't make sense to me that someone or anyone can sit there and call someone ugly when God made us all equally unique. So it bothered me a bit because I was like, well, I know I'm cute, and I'm sure she have the same confidence. You know what I'm saying? But for a man to put a woman down just because she's not filtered. And what I said was, maybe if she would have used the filter, tilted her head to the left, took only a face shot, then he probably would have been all up on her. But because she showed a full body shot, this is what you get. What you see is what you get. He called her ugly. So I just don't understand. But there's somebody out there for everybody. I wouldn't want to be with someone who would only love the filtered me. Because some of y'all, which I don't know, the makeup is caked on. I wear a little bit of makeup here and there. I'm a natural girl, but I don't cake my face with makeup. I might put a little, concealer on, a little blush, a little lipstick, and keep it moving. Little eyeliner, mascara. That's it. But I'm not caking it on, contouring my nose, make it look like Michael Jackson. I love my nose. I got it from my daddy. So I love my nose. It can be a little oily. I'm okay with that. But who are you to tell somebody that they're ugly? Who are you to tell somebody that they're unattractive? And your hairline sitting back here. I don't get it. But, to each his own. I just say to all my beautiful subscribers, you are all beautiful in your own way. So don't let nobody tell you that you're ugly, because you're not. Because there is somebody out there that's going to think that you are the most beautiful woman or man in this world. Period. All right. So I'm done ranting about that, because I went on and on yesterday about that post that I seen. Because it tore my heart to pieces. Who are you to say that somebody is ugly? But anyway. So I got braces. I only got the braces because I was dissatisfied with 3 teeth. So you know what I thought they was going to do? Put braces on them 2 front teeth and the 1 in the back. They said I had to get a whole mouthful. And when I tell you, if you're considering getting braces, do your research. It's a lot of flossing. It's a lot of eating in the back. You can't really eat in the front. You can really just eat. I can't even eat on this side. I can only eat on this side. I can't really taste my food. So I no longer order steak because I enjoy the taste of steak. So since I can only chew on this side and then straight swallow it, I don't order it. I've been ordering chicken nuggets, mashed potatoes. I gotta get this down. I gotta figure out how to eat. But I just wanted to let you all know that I am still here and I will be back making new videos. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me more, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see Bella, she's not here. She's at school. But if you want to see more hair tutorials when it comes to Bella, give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. I won't keep you for long this time because I have somewhere to be. But I just wanted to let you know that I am here to stay. Oh, one more thing. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm giving away a hair steamer. So, help me out. Share my video. Like it. Subscribe. 500 subscribers. I'm giving away a steamer. Something that helped me repair my hair. All right, guys. I want to say thank you for your love and support. I will always be here. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. If you want to hear about something else, leave it in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.